Welcome to Clemson University and to Student Health Services. We are so happy you are joining the Clemson family. This presentation will give you an overview of the services we provide. If you have additional questions, please visit our website for more details or reach out to our staff, who are always happy to help. Before we get started, we would like to acknowledge the COVID-19 emergency. Our first priority remains the health and well-being of our students, employees, and community members. In light of that, it has been necessary to modify our operations to address the challenges of this pandemic. Because this is a continually evolving situation, please check our website for any updates or modifications to our services. The presentation that follows will cover our services as they are offered during normal, non-COVID-19 operations. At Redfern Health Center, our mission is to provide quality medical and mental health care, public health leadership, and initiatives that enhance the academic success of our students and promote health, safety, and well-being of the campus community. We have 3 divisions that work collaboratively to provide innovative and integrated healthcare. Our medical, counseling, and psychological services and Healthy Campus staff provide outstanding care to our students. We are guided by the highest standards of care for college health and base our processes on the concept of continuous improvement. We are proud to be accredited by the Joint Commission, which means we have the highest standards for patient safety and quality of care. Redfern Health Center is open Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and on Wednesdays we are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We close at 4:30 p.m. during summer and semester breaks and are closed on all university holidays. There are several ways to be seen for appointments. You may schedule online through the MyHealthy portal, call the appointment line at 864-656-1541, or walk in for urgent care, where you will be seen through the nurses' clinic. For counseling and psychological services appointments, you may call the direct appointment line at 864-656-2451 or utilize the CAP See You Now walk-in clinic for an initial assessment on Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Parking on campus can be a challenge. We want you to be able to access services as easily as possible, which is why we've worked with parking services to have spaces right in front of our building designated for patients and clients only. Here's what you need to know. You must have a valid Clemson parking permit or get a one-day pass from parking services. Make sure you get the number of the space you park in and then give that number to the person at the Redfern Health Center information desk. If there aren't any Redfern parking spaces available, you may get a parking pass at the Redfern information desk to park in any vacant employee space, except for handicap, service vehicles, and carpool spaces. Or, you may always park in any vacant meter space. There is no pass required for this. You just have to follow the meter rules. MyHealthy is our secure online health portal. In MyHealthy, you can schedule and cancel appointments, upload insurance cards and immunization records, sign up for text message appointment reminders, communicate with certain providers and staff through secure messages, complete online questionnaires, forms, and surveys, view and print bills, pay for outstanding balances through Clemson University Marketplace, and update your profile. When you communicate through MyHealthy, you will receive an email at your Clemson email address letting you know you need to check your secure messages in the MyHealthy portal. We are proud to offer an array of medical services to meet your primary healthcare needs. This includes our medical clinic, nurses clinic, laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, women's health clinic, allergy and immunization clinic, sports medicine clinic, and travel clinic. Most problem visits at Redfern Health Center are covered by the health fee. We do charge for physical exams, including women's annual physical exams and pre-participation sports physicals. We also charge for laboratory, radiology, procedures, and psychiatry. We courtesy file as an out-of-network provider for most commercial medical insurance plans. Insurance cards can be uploaded to MyHealthy, so we have your information on file. Please know that some plans will not reimburse for out-of-network services. You are responsible for any charges not paid by your insurance. Students will incur no-show fees for missed appointments and late cancellation fees for counseling and psychological services and psychiatry appointments not canceled by 11:59 p.m. the day prior to scheduled appointments. Students are billed for any amount due after insurance has processed. Students will receive monthly secure message billing reminders via the MyHealthy web portal for any outstanding balances. Balances can be paid online through MyHealthy and CU Marketplace. Itemized bills can be viewed and printed under the Account Summary section of MyHealthy. Balances not paid by the end of the semester will be turned over to the next tuition and fees bill. For uninsured or underinsured students, Clemson University sponsors a comprehensive major medical health insurance plan for which we are an in-network provider. Claims are filed in-house. Coverage must be purchased each semester during open enrollment at the same time online tuition and fees bills are due. The Clemson University Student Health Insurance Plan is underwritten by Blue Cross Blue Shield of South Carolina. Enrollment is administered by Academic Health Plans. Go to clemson.myahpcare.com for rates and enrollment information. Students who want parents to have access to billing information should complete the Authorization for Release of Information form found on our website under Policies and Records and then Records and Confidentiality. Contact the Insurance and Billing Office at Redfern Health Center with any questions or concerns about insurance, billing, or the Student Health Insurance Plan. Just call 864-656-3561 or email redfern@clemson.edu. Our pharmacy team is dedicated to meeting your healthcare needs. We fill prescriptions written by Redfern and off-campus providers, and we offer a great variety of over-the-counter medications at very competitive prices. We are a fantastic resource for medication questions and recommendations. Being within a healthcare center, we understand the student health population and offer customized service to meet students' individual needs. As an in-network provider with most insurance companies, we offer competitive prices and we will assist you in finding the lowest cost for your medications. To ensure the safety of our campus, we have a drug take-back box for disposal of expired or unused medications. We also offer flu shots with no appointment necessary. Don't forget to submit your pharmacy insurance information prior to your arrival on campus. You may do so by visiting the new student webpage, clicking Pharmacy Insurance, and submitting the online form. While there, you can also request any of your active prescriptions be transferred to us so that we may better serve your medication needs. One thing students and families always have questions about is our immunization requirements. All students are required to complete the new student immunization forms or obtain a verified copy of your immunization record. You must then upload it to MyHealthy. You need to also complete the Tuberculosis Risk Assessment Questionnaire in MyHealthy. Make sure you have these tasks completed by July 1st. If you have questions or want to learn more, visit our new students webpage. College life is often a time of transition and challenge. Students face these developmental changes by tapping into their internal resources, family, friends, and mentors. In some cases, help is needed from trained professionals. Counseling and Psychological Services, or CAPS, provides a safe and confidential environment for students to address their concerns. Mental well-being, just like physical health, is necessary for students to meet their academic and life goals. Students most often seek care for anxiety, stress, depression, loneliness, relationship difficulties, eating concerns, and questions about identity. The staff at CAPS are committed to facilitating students' personal growth and well-being while celebrating individual differences. Care options along the step care continuum may include assisting students with adjusting to the university community, accessing self-help resources, participating in skills-building workshops, online treatments, or individual counseling. Group therapy is often the optimal form of intervention given that many of the issues students encounter occur in social settings. It follows that working out these issues in a therapeutic social environment facilitates growth. CAPS offers both general and specific themed groups, as well as groups that focus on learning effective skills for living. Family and couples counseling is also provided. Therapy Assistance Online, or TAO, is a program that provides access to therapy anytime, anywhere. TAO is an online suite of tools meant to teach life skills, build resilience, and encourage positive growth. TAO's educational modules are comprised of brief, interactive videos that give you basic information and challenge you to increase your understanding of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. The modules address issues that students often encounter, such as depression, anxiety, relationships, communication, chronic pain, and alcohol and/or drug use. When working the TAO modules with the help of your counselor, you schedule a brief video conference session to monitor progress and stay motivated. However, the work is done by the student in the platform. It's ideal for busy students. Students can access TAO on their smartphone, tablet, or computer and complete the treatments on their own. Just search for TAO Mobile in the App Store. For a completely independent experience, students can self-enroll and have evidence-based treatments for their struggles at their fingertips. TAO also has a mindfulness library that has multiple relaxation videos and other helpful resources. For the sign-up link, visit the CAPS website at clemson.edu/CAPS. CAPS offers 2 ways to initiate services. You may access care by first going through a phone screening. Students can contact CAPS at 864-656-2451 to schedule an intake phone screening appointment with a clinician. During this call, a clinician will gather brief information and schedule an individual assessment. You may also use the walk-in clinic. Students who use the walk-in clinic are seen on a first-come, first-served basis, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Students complete basic forms and are scheduled for an individual assessment. The assessment allows for understanding of the student's strengths, presenting needs, and expectations for treatment. CAPS utilizes a step care model that orders care options along a continuum. Students enter care at the lowest level of intensity needed. Students may then step up or down to address their needs. Additionally, emergency after-hours counseling is available by calling the Clemson University Police Department at 864-656-2222 and asking for the CAPS counselor on call. The goal of Healthy Campus is for Clemson University to be a national model of health, safety, and sustainability, and for students to experience a way of life at Clemson University that contributes to their lifelong health and well-being. Healthy Campus achieves this by providing exemplary leadership and advocacy for public health policies and structures intended to improve health, engaged learning activities including creative inquiry teams, internships, class projects, and mindfulness and well-being short courses, partnerships and networks of collaborators to achieve Healthy Campus objectives, and population-level interventions. Healthy Campus is constantly looking for new ways to foster well-being on our campus. We provide in-person and virtual trainings on a variety of topics. You may request a program for a class or student organization or attend one of our workshops either in person or virtually. We offer 1-hour sessions on all the topics listed here. Our website and monthly newsletter, Student Health 101, also include great information on all these topics. We also offer these additional in-depth courses that students are either required to complete or self-enroll based on interest. Aspire to Be Well is a well-being session that is part of the CU 1000 course requirement. This peer-facilitated dialogue focuses on overall well-being, alcohol and other drug misuse prevention, mental health and suicide prevention, and interpersonal violence prevention, with an emphasis on bystander intervention. Alcohol EDU is also required for new undergraduate students. In this online educational activity, students learn about the mental and physical effects of alcohol, prepare to be active bystanders, and review state laws and university policies related to alcohol use. Alcohol EDU must be completed as part of orientation. The Tigers Together Advocacy Training is a 90-minute workshop that equips faculty, staff, and students to be the bridge between a student at risk for suicide and the mental health professional help they need. Wellness Wednesdays are virtual sessions where participants learn how to take care of their well-being in bite-sized 30-minute segments. Wellness Wednesdays cover a variety of topics from physical fitness, loneliness, resilience, and more. Empathy workshops are 3 one-hour sessions where students, faculty, and staff can develop skills to understand empathy in our world, practice self-empathy as a form of self-care, and to extend empathy to others. These workshop-style sessions provide space for dialogue, personal reflection, and mindfulness activities. Core Root Mindfulness is a 4-week evidence-based program specifically designed for teaching mindfulness and meditation as a way to manage stress and reduce anxiety. Students learn specific skills that help calm and focus the mind, including breathing exercises, guided imagery, body scan, and more. Visit our website to learn more about all the services we provide, along with information on a variety of health and well-being topics. Make sure you visit the new student webpage. It has a checklist of all the things you need to do and will help answer any questions you may have. Also, keep a lookout for the Student Health 101 newsletter that will arrive via email each month. This is a great resource for all sorts of health and well-being issues pertinent to college students. You can enter to win great prizes too. The best way to get the most up-to-date information is by visiting our website. If you have more detailed questions or would prefer to speak by phone, please give us a call. Here is a quick reference of some of the most important phone numbers. For a complete directory, please visit our website. Follow us on social media to keep up to date with the latest information related to health and well-being. Here's a checklist for you to make sure you get everything set up for your success. Thank you for watching this presentation. This video and the information presented can be found on our website, clemson.edu/studenthealth, particularly on the New Student webpage. Just click on New Students or go directly to clemson.edu/studenthealth/new-students.